Welcome to UIFry. What is UIFry? Today we are launching an amazing and comprehensive platform for all UI UX designers out there. Every UI UX designer knows the challenges, the hunt for quick start ideas, the need for the comprehensive design kits, the struggle to find the right font, looking for a perfect style guide, or even finding a 100% remote job. Here, UIFry comes into the play. Let's talk about the first UIFry category, which is UI templates. So with UIFry UI templates, jumpstart your projects seamlessly. Whether you are working in Figma, Sketch, or XD, we have got landing pages, apps, dashboard designs to set you off on the right track. You can use these to jumpstart your project instantly. You can see on the screen there are like hundreds of templates for you to get started. What about those larger projects where you are designing a complete platform, right? So for larger projects, you might just not need the templates. You will need full kits which have the components in them, which are the style guides in them, and all the works that is needed to design a complete platform, or you can say a complete product design. So UI UX kits include all those templates which you can see on the screen right now. They're like amazing templates and kits, and we will be adding weekly basis. We will be adding new stuff, and you can also recommend us what kind of UI kits you are looking for. Let's talk about the briefs. The third category is basically if you are a new UI UX designer, or you already are an amazing UI UX designer, you're looking to practice few projects or build your own portfolio, briefs are the perfect place to get started. Briefs have three categories. The first one is a landing page where you have all those landing pages you can see. You can practice. The brief actually is not just any ordinary brief. All these briefs have amazing wireframe, style guide, the learning PDF where you can see what you are basically designing, and we will be also adding these on weekly basis for you to practice, and you can share with us, and I will personally give you feedback on these, and my team will also jump in and create a video feedback for you to how you can improve it. Let's talk about the fourth one, guys. Typefaces, fonts. So our font section is carefully crafted with crisp, scalable typefaces made specifically for UI UX designs, right? Because UI UX projects, or you can say product design websites, apps, dashboard, they need a specific type of fonts which are scalable, crisp, light, and which can adhere to any size possible, very small to very big. Our fonts are basically crafted in-house by top typographers. So feel free to download. Also, we will be adding these on a weekly basis. The next one is style guides. So what are style guides? So our style guides come equipped with font recommendations, color schemes, and necessary inspiration for various industries. You always go to websites like Dribbble, Behance, but at the end of the day, they don't give you those complete, style guides or fonts or how to use it. So basically our style guides will provide you everything from the start. Let's talk about the next category, which is 100% remote jobs. This job board is specifically crafted for UI UX designers who are looking to do jobs which they can do anywhere in the world. So we have curated only those jobs which you can do anywhere in the world, from anywhere in the world. Head there and apply to your dream job. That's not it. It's just the first version that I have told you. We have a 6-month roadmap you can check, where we will be introducing thousands of templates. We will be adding more stuff weekly. There will be a Figma plugin for our templates. We will be adding flows and inspiration on the platform. We'll be adding educational videos and a complete learning management system in the future. And what not can come in my mind. Amazing features coming up. Head over there. The pricing right now is very, very, very less for you to join, and I'm looking forward for your recommendation, reviews, whatnot. See ya.